Hey guys, I'm Patrick, and welcome back to another episode of Current Weather Snapshots. Now, before we get into the video, I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. Now, let's get right into it. First, what's changed since last week? Well, first of all, the Pacific activity that I talked about last week didn't really do much. Only one tropical depression formed in the end. This has been a recurring theme in the Eastern Pacific this season, where there are a lot of promised tropical storms and hurricanes, but nothing really happens in the end. The second thing that's changed since last week is that the monsoon I talked about back then has begun. Las Vegas got its first trace of rain in 3 months yesterday, and thunderstorms with heavy rains have developed across Arizona and New Mexico, and the monsoon is only going to strengthen and move further north from here. Now, what's happening this week? First of all, a new round of East Pacific activity has begun, and this time it looks like it will deliver. Tropical storm Douglas has already formed and is currently maintaining winds of 60 miles per hour, so close to the high end of tropical storm activity, and it's forecast to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane before weakening. In the long range, there are possible impacts to Hawaii, which happens not very often because of its small size. No, in addition to Douglas, Tropical Depression 7E has formed, but it looks like it is at peak intensity right now and will weaken over the next 24 to 48 hours or so, eventually disintegrating into a remnant low. In addition, there are several disturbances in the Atlantic that have a decently high chance of forming into a tropical cyclone that are being monitored, one of which could actually impact the U.S. Gulf Coast, so people living there need to keep an eye out. Now, this next event isn't an event, but an interesting phenomenon. Look at the average temperatures of European cities throughout the year, and then look at those cities' coordinates. You'll find that Europe is very far north, but it has similar temperatures to the U.S. The reason for this is the Gulf Stream. It transports warm tropical water from the west coast of Africa north to Europe, bringing milder weather with it. Without the Gulf Stream, the European climate would be more similar to Canada's climate. So that wraps up this episode of Current Weather Snapshots. Now, before I go, I have an announcement. Tomorrow I will be doing a Would You Rather video, and it will mark the beginning of an experimentation series where I experiment with different video ideas and see how popular they are. Expect those videos to come out every Monday. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. Thanks and have a great day.